What's up guys, hope you are doing well there and stay safe during this corona pandemic period. After a long time I have returned with ArcGIS tutorial for you guys. It took so much time to fully recover from corona. Anyhow, today I will show you something which normally ArcGIS users don't use or don't try. This will useful especially for detailed map makers or complex map makers, especially large map makers. Okay, let's get started, but before that please hit the red subscribe button down there and click the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Okay, right. When marking on a large map document, you will find yourself spending a lot of time navigating around the map, zooming in and zooming out of various locations. So ArcMap provides three special tools under the Windows menu that can help you to move quickly and precisely around the map. So I'm going to show these things today. So I have already created a template. I'm going to open my template. You can see this is a large map, somewhat complex. So much details can be seen, but it is not clear. Normally you will use, what you use is zoom in, zoom out, pan tool, full extent, a fixed zoom in and fixed zoom out. So these are the tools which most ArcGIS users use to navigate around the map, navigate the locations within the map. But there are some special tools in the Windows menu which you can use: overview, magnifier and viewer. I will move quickly around these things. Turn on your layer overview, Windows tab, click overview. Now you can see another window, but it is in the blue color. You can see when I pan my main map, the boundary box will appear, right? It will move when I move the main map, but this is not useful very much. So to get most out of this layer overview, right click here and go to properties. Right, this is overview property. You can see the reference layer. This is the blue layout, blue layer. So I'm going to change my layer into states and provinces. Click apply and OK. Right, I'm going to show you. I will use this zoom in tool. I'm going to zoom a particular location. Right, now you can see when I zoomed my main map, layer overview gives an indication of the general location of the location where I have zoomed in my main map. You can get the idea. Another thing I want to show you, that go to right click and go to properties here. You can change the color of the extend symbol. To clearly see, I will set it in red color. Outline red, fill color is red and outline width around 2 and apply and OK. Now it is very much clear, right? I will use my pan tool. Now you can see the layer overview is updating when I am navigating my main map. My main map is somewhat large. Layer overview also automatically updates with the main map. That is the layer overview. That is the use of layer overview. Then we will move to the Windows tab. This is the magnifier window. I will keep my layers overview window aside and magnifier. If you want to see the detailed view without zooming, this magnifier window will do the job. You can see how it works. When I want to get a detailed view of this location, I will zoom here. I will put my magnifier window here. It gives an indication of the detailed map. Right, if you want to reduce the zoom level, you can reduce up to 500% here. Likewise, right, another thing I want to make sure to you to know that click here and update while dragging. This is unticked. I will keep a tick. Now it will update while dragging. Right, my laptop is so much lagging, so that is why it will not showing here. Anyway, make sure to untick this one. Right, anyway you can use these things. Right, another thing, if you can see these properties, right, you can magnify into a fixed scale from the main scale. Right, so these are the properties, these are the things that we can do using this magnifier window. Right, this is another viewer. I will show it later. Right, now I'm going to get that viewer window. Now we have 3 windows, right? I will say this 1000 isn't. What is this viewer window? Right, now we have got 3 different windows. When I want to zoom another area, suppose this is my interested area. Right, this is my viewer window. I want to zoom my map into viewer location. Right, you better go to this location, triangular mark. If you want to flash the location, it will show the general location. It will automatically flash. Right, and the other thing you can do is pan tool. Pan map to viewer location. You can pan the map using this viewer location. This is the viewer location, but your main map is in another area. You can click here and pan map to viewer location. Right, this is where we are looking at. Pan your map to viewer location. If you want to get a detailed view through the viewer, what you should do, you should click this one, pan viewer to map location. Click here. Now this is the viewer location and map location. Same thing you can do using zoom map to viewer location, zoom viewer to map location. Right, these are the things that we can do using viewer window. Now you know layers overview, viewer and magnifier. Another thing, as a bonus tip, I will show you another thing. Have you tried this one, create viewer window? No, I guess you haven't tried. So click this one and the arrow will change into this one, this symbol. Suppose if you want to create a separate viewer window, you have to use this one and right click, draw a square like this one. It will automatically create a viewer window. Right, then you can do the same thing, flash the location. Right, then you can do the general things like flash the location, map to viewer location, pan map to viewer location, pan viewer to map location, zoom map to viewer location. Right, I have zoomed the main map to viewer location. This is the zoomed map, this is the viewer map. Likewise, you can create multiple windows as viewer windows, just like this one. I have zoomed out my main map, another viewer window, another viewer window. So I hope you have learned something new. So try these things in your map. This is very much useful for detailed map makers, large map makers, to get better views of your map. If your map has too much details, Especially this is very much useful if you use multiple monitors because you can set this viewer window or magnifier window into a separate monitor. So I guess you have learned something new. That's all for this tutorial. And if you learn something new, please hit a like for me and keep a comment for me. And don't forget to subscribe for my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest video updates. I will be back with another video for you soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay safe.